Morning, welcome to today's video. I'm just heading to Sigma Sport to meet George. Take your time, mate.
I'm late.
It is also not a day for full winter kit.
No.
Are you hot?
It was this morning when I got on the bike at 6 o'clock. It's not anymore.
You look hot.
I'm warm.
You left your house at 6 o'clock.
Yeah, but I've been to laps, haven't I?
What?
It's Thursday, I went laps first. Oh. Now I'm a little bit warmer.
Welcome to Sigma Sports.
Welcome to Sigma Sports.
Which one based on colour only would you
Which
have?
bike do I want?
Yeah.
You're going to buy me one?
If I was to buy you one.
You are going to buy me one?
If it was your birthday.
It is.
Which colour one would you like?
That pink one there.
The pinky? That is nice, isn't it? Look at this guy. Hi.
So basically I'm here at Sigma Sports with George because he's got a meeting or he's dropping off some bollocks. What are we actually doing today? We're just basically going to do absolutely nothing.
You're doing a day in the life
on
of
bikes.
me.
That's your job?
Yeah.
Absolutely nothing.
That's not technically fair, but it's close to nothing.
I'm
We're
looking
already
forward to this.
45 minutes behind schedule, but that's fine.
But that's part of
Nothing
what
waits
we do.
for no man. No man waits for nothing.
Words.
It's got a different layout in it. I really don't like riding it. It's so stiff. I just don't. I just hang it on the wall as a frame. Just it's literally sat like that in the office because I don't like to ride it. It's just too stiff for me.
Because you're a chopper.
Because I'm a chopper mainly. Yeah.
You could race it though.
Ah, for sure, man.
Fast.
There's not a toolbox.
EPO smuggling.
Oh wowzers.
EPO.
So,
Yeah.
tie lever, CO2 inflator. You can put an inner tube around there, and on the other side you've got space for like
Fake
a little
money.
multi-tool and a money clip.
Some fake money.
Fake money.
Fake money.
It might come with real money.
Monopoly money.
I would buy it for the same amount of money it cost.
Mayfair.
It was inside.
Put a hotel on Mayfair.
But everyone knows to be pro, you have to put everything in your pockets instead of putting it on the bike.
100%.
Even if it's really uncomfortable, that's the pro way to do it, isn't it?
Put nothing on the bike.
Yeah. Otherwise you look like Chris Hall with his saddlebag. Cafe stop number 1. We've been riding a solid 40 minutes. Should we get a pizza?
Pizza time.
Pizza time. You're drinking oat milk as well now.
I am. I normally have my first one of the day with normal milk and then the rest with oat milk.
That's weird.
I like it.
You're weird.
Yeah, I like it.
Is it too early for pizza?
Never.
It's never too early for pizza.
7 minutes past 12. It's pizza o'clock.
What are you doing?
I am just checking this is working before we go and deliver it to a customer. Please take note.
I think that means it's broken.
Don't close app while updating.
What are we doing?
I'm going to see the wizard.
Why are we get what, the Wizard of Oz?
No,
No?
the wizard of Putney. No, it looks really good and busy in here today. So
Why was he the wizard?
he's like an electronics genius. So if I can't fix something in my workshop, Greg, he's the boy.
Or you got a broken guitar.
Or if you've got a broken guitar aid, Putney, give him a tinkle, Greg will fix it for you.
Like Jim will fix it.
Like Jim will fix it, but
Less dangerous.
less dangerous. Do you like candy floss? Candy floss vegan?
There's a fair.
No, that's where we're going to go get some candy floss from.
Sweet.
Is candy floss vegan?
Yes, I think it's just sugar.
Perfect. And red, whatever red is.
So, this, well, it's a tree, but also it's the top secret training location. Is it top secret? Well, I haven't mentioned what park we're in.
No.
No one will know.
No one will ever work it out.
For fixed gear crits, all you've got to do is sprint at this roundabout, get round it, and then come out the other side, and then do it 400 times, and then you'll be
About ready.
good enough to corner fixed gear crits, right?
Yeah.
Bet I can do it on a road bike.
Extra points if you hit a child. Like that.
I did almost hit a child then. What do you reckon? You can do a fixed gear crit?
They look dangerous.
Yeah, it is. Are we there yet?
Almost.
This is long, man.
Busy as balls.
London is busy.
Everybody's out today.
And all these people and the noise.
It's kind of cool, isn't it?
This might be the nicest bike I've seen all day.
Reminds me of that Trinelli I had once.
What happened to it?
Dunno.
I thought you gave it away.
Or George.
Yeah.
You know what I've always wanted?
I'll see if I can find
A giant ball made of inner tubes.
A giant ball made of inner tubes.
A giant ball made of inner tubes.
No.
Yeah, you know that.
How much for that one?
How much for that? How much would you sell that for?
Priceless.
It's priceless. Can you imagine trying to get that home?
Yes, I can
Start
imagine.
now.
400 kilos.
You can't even move it.
Really?
We calculated that it's, if you did 80 days a year in a shop and you did 3 tubes a day, we calculated it weighs about 396 kilograms.
Holy Jemima, 396 kilograms.
It's about 4 to 5 years old.
Yeah.
So when we calculated it roughly, give or take, an inner tube is 165 grams.
Sure.
Yeah.
We calculated it and it was that region, 20 each.
Well, they got some nice stuff in this shop, but that takes the biscuit, doesn't it? What I'm witnessing here is history in the making.
Yeah, that's brilliant.
Do you reckon this is the biggest inner tube ball in London?
Oh, is that? It is. It definitely was, because we had some guy who nicked about 300 tubes from us. Was it 300?
Well,
200.
over a space of a couple of months, like it went from like.
Yeah, the guy came in, he said he's building a raft, and
Yeah.
he wants the old tubes to actually tie it up together.
Well, he kept nicking him.
But he just came in and asked if he can have some. I was like, yeah, have as many as you want. We expect 10,
10.
Yeah.
15. And he filled up his backpack and it was half smaller.
So it is kind of shorts weather today. I might ditch the knee warmers. Everyone's walking around shirtless, even though it's only about 16 degrees.
Yeah. Yeah, I think this is about right for me, this.
What are you doing?
I'm working on my
Saddle
hip,
height, yeah.
hip rotation.
It gives you some.
It's good for your mid-thoracic region,
Yeah.
good for your lower lumbar.
Yeah. As a bike fitter, you obviously agree. You got a ruler.
It's just too whippy with that.
Oi, George.
Yes, boy.
You buying a new bike?
Never.
You can see it up there.
Nope.
You sure?
Yep.
It's not what I heard.
I don't buy bikes.
That's a lie.
Don't own any bikes. Don't like bikes. Alright.
That's a lie.
On this one. That's not got enough pink on it for my liking.
Spray it. I'll spray it for you.
Put the word track on the side. In
Yeah,
pink.
yeah.
Alright. I get accused a lot of doing nothing, but actually did quite a lot in my nothing for 95k.
I think it was a productive day.
It was a productive day.
It was a sunny day.
sunny day. Look at that. Delightful.
Where's Chris been?
Chris been at his desk doing his work.
That's really funny.
I hope.
He's going to see
think-
this and he's going to be really jealous.
Yeah. Well, I'm a touch warm inside
Chris
of my
all sits.
outfit. Chris all works.
Chris all works hard.
Chris all-
Probably just watching my
he's
YouTube videos,
He's,
isn't
he's probably on Zwift watching your YouTube videos.
he? You should fire him and then hire him again.
I need him. He's very useful doing things. Don't ask me what. But like grizzly bear. But now I must go. I've now got to go to two more meetings and install some more cranks, and then game over.
I'm going to ride home in shorts
Oh,
because my leg warmers keep slipping down.
been a pleasure. Catch you later.
Catch you soon, man.
Bye bye.
Too cold for legs out. What a day. I decided to smash it back through the park quite fast. On the way back, there were loads of people out because the sun is out, finally, in the UK. I had a good day with George. We spent a lot of the time talking about power numbers, which is always nice. I've got a few more hard sessions coming up, and in just under 2 weeks will be the 8-bar crit, followed by some riding in Van 2 with Sean Sacco. Then to top it all off, I'm heading over to Brooklyn for Red Hook Crit. As always, thank you so much for watching. Give us a subscribe if you like the video, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.